So that's why you were worried about being forced to go back. I had no idea Namek had fruit like that.
You can see them for yourself if you help me out. I'm not pulling any tricks, I swear.
Let's see.
What do you think, Krillin? Knowing you, I bet you really want to help this guy out, huh, Gohan? You want to help everybody out. Fuck what we gotta do. Fuck what's important. You gotta help every little person say, Gohan, help!
Music to my ears. Thanks a bunch for offering to help me.
I didn't decide to,
Alright, now, so, I'm looking for yucca melons, Igisa oranges, and roll nuts.
But we didn't agree. So, where can we find the fruits? But Gohan, we didn't...
If I knew, I wouldn't be struggling here like I am. But according to the computer, the melons can be found in rocky areas. As for the oranges, you're not going to believe this, but they apparently grow on the roots of these trees here. Isn't that wild?
And the roll nuts? Might as well fucking help.
Yeah, roll nuts grow on trees in the highlands and ripen by falling to the ground and rolling away. So, you'll probably find them in places down and away from the trees. No clue where that would be exactly, sorry.
They wouldn't even end up rolling onto the ocean?
Yeah, maybe. You should check there too. Anyway, find all the fruit and I'll give you a reward.
Okay, we'll find these fruits and bring them back here.
I owe you.
Don't let me down.